So, hello, good evening, friends. Today we will be studying about the fraction word problem using the bar method. So, let's start with the word problem. What does the word problem say? Kim sells 3/4 of her t-shirts on Monday and 2/3 of the rest of them on Tuesday. On Wednesday, she only has 8 t-shirts left to sell. How many t-shirts did she start with? So basically in this question, they are asking that Kim has a certain amount of t-shirts. From that, she sells 3/4 of her t-shirts on Monday and 2/3 of the rest of them on Tuesday. So the first basic method, what you can do is assume the total number of total t-shirts, what Kim starts with, total t-shirts Tim starts with B equal to X. Yes. So we assume that Tim sells X number of t-shirts. Now the second statement. First statement, what is tells? Kim sells 3/4 of her t-shirts on Monday. So Kim sells how many t-shirts on Monday? Kim sells t-shirts on Monday is equal to how much? 3/4 of the total number of t-shirts, that is what we have assumed to be X. Yes. So what can we say? Kim sells 3/4 of the t-shirt, that is 3/4 of X. Okay? So these number of t-shirts Kim has sold out of X number of t-shirts. Now what is the second line? They say 2/3 of the rest of them on Tuesday. So she has already sold, Kim has already sold 3/4 of the t-shirts, 3/4 X t-shirts. Now they say that 2/3 of the rest of them she sells on Tuesday. So first you need to know what is rest of them. What does rest of them means? If I say that you have total X number of t-shirts and you have already sold 3/4 of them. So what is the rest of them left to be sold? Rest of them left to be sold is how much? Can I say total number of t-shirts minus the number of t-shirts already sold, which will give me what? 4x minus 3x upon 4, which will give me how much? 1x upon 4 t-shirts, correct? So x is the total number of t-shirts. Out of that total number of t-shirts, Kim sells 3/4 of the t-shirts on Monday, correct? So rest of the t-shirts which are left to be sold are 1x upon 4. So now we can conclude this statement that 2/3 of the t-shirt, rest of 2/3 of the rest of them on Tuesday. So on Tuesday, how many t-shirts are sold? On Tuesday, t-shirts sold are how many? It is what? 2/3. 2/3, it determines the fraction of means multiplication of the rest of them. So what is the rest of them? Rest is 1x upon 4. Correct? So 2/3 of the rest of them t-shirts are sold on Tuesday. That is 2x upon 4 threes are 12. Which on simplification will give you 1/6 of x. Yes. Now total number of t-shirts which are sold are how much? From this we can make out that total number of t-shirts which are sold is 3x upon 4, which is on Monday, and on Tuesday, 1x upon 6 t-shirts are sold in total. Correct? So the next statement, what can we write? Total t-shirts sold will be how much? We can say 3 upon 4x plus 1x upon 6. Yes or no? Because Kim on Monday sells 3/4 of the t-shirts, and on Tuesday she sells 1/6 of the t-shirts. Correct? So total number of t-shirts sold will be 3/4 and plus 1/6, which will give me what? Do cross multiplication and find out. 18x plus 4x upon 24, which gives me 22x upon 24. On simplification, you get 11x upon 12. So the total number of t-shirts sold will be 11x upon 12 out of x. So the total number of t-shirts are x. Out of that, you have sold 11x upon 12 t-shirts. Now, what the last statement says, on Wednesday, she only has 8 t-shirts left. So I have to find out the number of t-shirts what are left. We found out the total number of t-shirts what are sold. Now to calculate the total number of t-shirts what are left out, we simply have to do what? Subtract x with this. Then only we will be able to get the left out part, correct? This is the total number of t-shirts. What Kim starts with. Out of this total number of t-shirts, she has sold total how many t-shirts? 11x upon 12. So what will be the leftover part? X minus 11x upon 12. So left number of t-shirt will be how much? Left t-shirts will be how much? Will be total number of t-shirts, that is x minus what? X minus 11x upon 12. Why 11x upon 12? Because 11x upon 12 is the t-shirts she has sold. So 11x upon 12, which on solving will give you 1x upon 12. So what we found out? We found out the left number of t-shirts. What does the last line indicate? On Wednesday, she only has 8 t-shirts left to sell. So we found out the number of t-shirts left is equal to 1x upon 12. We will use the unitary and equate it. 1x is upon 12 will be equal to 8 t-shirts, correct? Because 8 t-shirts are left to sell on Wednesday. On Wednesday, left t-shirts will be what? On Wednesday, left t-shirts will be what? X minus 11x upon 12, which gives me x upon 12. So I will equate it with 8 because 8 are the number of t-shirts which are left, which is given in the question itself. So just multiply this 8 into 12, which will give you 96. Correct? So x is what? 96 t-shirts. So the number of t-shirts sold will be 96. So this is the way to solve this question.